I'm here with Mr. Hammer Fantastis. He's doing his plumbing work. Hey, Mr. Hammer, how are you, man?
Very good, Mamba. How are you, buddy?
Good, man. What's going on there, bud?
Living the dream with these Sparkies get away from me. Go away.
Oh, yeah, Sparkies are eating.
Sparkies, mate.
Yeah, they're here already, eh?
Yeah.
They can't wait to get in, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, they're coming in. So what's going on, man? What's this? Is that a toilet or something?
Drainage today, Mamba. Like I do every bloody day of the week.
Yeah, yeah. Is that a main?
No, it's just for the units, fucking the drain to take the toilet, the kitchens and all that type of stuff, mate. So
Yeah.
we're actually working on the main line of the work of the stacks, to tell you the truth. Yeah, so,
Okay.
yeah, have a good time.
So what, do you have to red eye all that, or
Hey, mate.
do you have to use a red eye to get it all in line, or
I
what?
just use a rocket level, mate. This little thing here keeps me in trouble all the time.
Okay.
And when I try to do it a long line, I'll get my laser out and
Yeah.
laser everything up that way, so...
So I can see I can see you're putting all that blue and pink stuff very meticulously. What kind of product is that?
It's a cleaning agent first, the primer you chuck on. They call it actually concrete glue.
Concrete blue?
And it makes the pipe join together properly.
Oh, okay, cool.
It works out alright, mate.
Nice. So how long have you been doing this joining section? How long have you done this?
How long have I been doing this I work for?
Yeah, this bit here. How long is it?
I've been here for about an hour or so.
An hour?
Yeah, a couple of
Damn,
hours.
man.
Couple of
This guy.
It took me a while to get started this morning, mate. Being Monday morning or Tuesday morning, it feels like a Monday. You know?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to get a fitting from down here, mate. I'll be back.
Oh, cool, man. So is this where you keep all your supplies?
Yeah, mate. We try to.
Yeah. So do you have to load it? Do you have to load everything up?
Yeah, mate. Like this whole floor up all the time. Every floor,
Yeah.
we just move up and do the building as we go.
Oh, nice, man.
From 5 to 25. I'm over it though, to tell you the truth.
Oh, nice. You love it, man.
Get this floor finished, mate. I'm on a 4-week break. So
Oh, nice.
I'm looking
Wicked.
forward to it. So it'll be good.
Oh, cool, man.
But now I've got to go find the fitting because I can't.
All right,
find
man.
one.
Hey, man. Thanks for
you.
your time. I know you're a
thank
busy
you.
guy.
Yeah.
You're looking very sharp too, man. What's going on? You're going somewhere? All right, man.
Clean shape today for the movie, eh?
Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. That's Big Hammer and Mamba. Boop, 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 boop. Bye-bye. See you later.
See you, mate.
We're out.